get your pantry sized right in your floor plan. Let's dive into it. All right, we got a pantry here. This is pretty much my default for the smallest I will show. 6x5. I've gone down to 5x5 some in plans, possible, not optimal. If this is, let me show a little cabinetry in here too. If you're gonna put cabinetry in here, it's gonna start to get and feel a little tight. So this line here being the base of the cabinets, that white line, you don't have much room for that door to swing in at all. Let me say, if this is a 1,600 square foot lake house, and you just want some cabinetry in your pantry, that's fine. You know, it's gonna fit and it's gonna work. But if you are designing your dream home or designing a 3,000 square foot, $1.6 million home for somebody, this might not cut it. So if we're gonna show cabinetry in the pantry, I like to get it to at least 7 feet most of the time, if you can. This really helps with, oh, that's one more foot in there. Really helps with walkway spacing. Now I can put a real appliance on this wall and not swing into a door. You even have room for a little outlet if you're gonna put a like wall-mounted vacuum, a battery vacuum or something in there. Really helpful. If you want to go like the full boat and get some real appliances in there, I'm starting to show pantries that are huge, almost the size of bedrooms, but I see the merit in it. You know, fridges are huge, roughly that size. You want to show a real fridge in there, you're going to want this amount of space to be in that room. And I wouldn't crowd it with too much cabinetry. If you're going to that width though, you could sneak this door down and get another bank of cabinets along that back wall. Just be thoughtful about fridge swing mainly, where this door is swinging into. Sometimes I like to leave that cabinetry off just so you have plenty of room for these appliances. Another configuration I've been liking a lot lately is a dual access pantry. So something that has the main level access, and you want to do a barn door or something here, you can really easily. You see the 7.2 by 15 feet for this space. Really works out nicely. 15.8, yeah, almost 16. And then you have this back door from the mudroom. If you're carrying in groceries straight from the garage, you got your straight shot. Easy peasy. One thing I've seen a lot of too is the like Costco door, I've seen it called, which is a small door. Let's imagine this is the garage over here. Just cutting a small door into right there. Another thing you could do, and I've had clients do, is just do a full-size door. Just do a real door, a couple more steps from your garage into your pantry, straight in your pantry. Can be nice and clean and easy carrying groceries in. The thing you're gonna lose is cabinet space. There's really not a way to add doors and keep the same amount of shelving space in there. So, do you have any questions on pantries? Is there anything you're stumped on? Any other sizes you want to see me do? As always, like and subscribe. Hit the button down below, whether or not I bump the mic. And yeah, comment. If you have any more questions about pantries, you want me to see me do a different size room, let me know. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome day. Bye.